Samsung's most ambitious foldable phone yet might finally be coming to the US, and the latest leak brings some surprising news about its pricing. The Galaxy Z TriFold has been talked about for a long time as an ultra-premium device, and many people expected it to cost well over $3,000. But according to new information, that may not be the case after all. Samsung recently confirmed that its first foldable phone is being showcased in the US. 4 states and 7 Samsung retail stores are currently displaying the Galaxy Z TriFold. While that announcement got people excited, Samsung stopped short of confirming when or how the phone would actually be sold. The company only said that availability details would be revealed soon, which left a lot of questions unanswered. Now, those questions may finally have some answers. According to reports shared by Reddit users, Samsung Experience Store employees have been telling customers that the Galaxy Z TriFold could officially go on sale in the US on January 30. While this date has not been confirmed by Samsung, the same information has reportedly been shared by employees at multiple locations, which gives the leak some credibility. However, there are some important limitations to keep in mind. The Galaxy Z TriFold is said to be sold only in person at select Samsung Experience stores. This means there will likely be no online sales at launch. On top of that, the phone is expected to be sold on a first-come, first-served basis. That suggests stock will be extremely limited, possibly even more limited than in other countries where the phone is already available. There is also conflicting information about which storage options will be offered in the US. Some reports suggest that only the 512GB version will be available, while others are unsure if the 1TB model will be sold at all. It is also unclear whether Samsung Care plans or device trade-in offers will be supported, which could be a deal-breaker for some buyers considering the price. Speaking of price, this is where the leak gets especially interesting. According to the same sources, the Galaxy Z TriFold with 512GB of storage could be priced at around $207.59 in the US. While that is still an extremely high price, it is much lower than earlier rumors that suggested Samsung might charge $3,000 or more. To put that number into perspective, the Z Fold would cost about $60-40 more than the Galaxy Z Fold 7 with the same storage. The Fold 7 originally launched at a high price too, but its 512GB version has already dropped to around $2,013 on Amazon. Even so, the TriFold's pricing looks more reasonable than many people expected, especially for a first-generation TriFold device. The leaked US price also lines up closely with international pricing. In China, Samsung reportedly sells the Galaxy TriFold for CNY19,999, which converts to roughly $2,080.75 with VAT included. That means the US price could actually be slightly cheaper. In South Korea, the phone is even more affordable by comparison, costing around $2,485 with VAT included, or roughly $2,259 before tax. This pricing strategy suggests Samsung may be trying to make the Galaxy Z TriFold more appealing than expected, despite its ultra-premium status. By keeping the price below the $3,000 mark, Samsung could be testing the waters to see how consumers respond to a TriFold design without pushing it completely out of reach. Still, the limited availability could make it difficult for most people to actually buy one. If the phone is only sold in a handful of stores, and in very small quantities, many interested buyers may never even get the chance. For now, everything about the Galaxy Z TriFold's US launch remains unofficial. Samsung has not confirmed the release date, price, or sales strategy. But if these leaks turn out to be accurate, January 30 could be an important day for foldable phones, and the Galaxy Z TriFold might end up being more attainable than anyone originally expected.